3 years ago, I bombed a presentation so hard, I literally hid in the bathroom for 20 minutes afterward. True story. And you know what my biggest mistake was? I thought confidence was something you either have or don't. But here's what no one tells you. Confidence isn't magic. It's muscle memory. And today I'll show you how to flex it in 60 seconds. According to Harvard research, 92% of people feel unconfident in new situations, even CEOs. We've been fed lies about confidence. Lie number one, it's genetic. Nope, even Beyoncé admitted she faked it early on. Lie number two, you need to feel confident first. Actually, neuroscience says it works backwards, action, evidence, belief. But the biggest lie? That it takes years to build. Lean in. What if I told you you can hack it in 3 steps, so simple you'll think, that's it? So let's talk about the real reason you freeze up. It's not because you're not good enough. It's because your brain is overprotecting you. See, your amygdala, that primal alarm system, screams danger when you're about to speak up or take a risk. But here's the game changer. You can silence that alarm with tiny physical actions. Here's how. Before you walk into any situation, a meeting, party, even a DM, pause for 3 seconds. Breathe in through your nose, stand still, and ground yourself. Yes, even in the bathroom stall. Why? This triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, aka the chill out switch. Pro tip, add a mental cue like, I belong here, as you breathe. Try it now. Pause this video and do it. Notice how your shoulders just dropped. That's your brain getting the memo. We're safe. Now ask yourself, what's one tiny thing a 10% more confident version of me would do? Not give a TED talk. Think micro. For example, if you'd speak louder, say one sentence at 20% higher volume today. If you'd take up space, uncross your arms for 30 seconds in your next chat. Show examples. This isn't faking. It's collecting evidence for your brain. Every time you do this, you're literally rewiring your self-image. When you're about to hesitate, to raise your hand, send that email, or walk up to someone, count backward 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. This interrupts your brain's panic loop. Plus, plus, plus. Confidence is momentum. The more you act before doubt kicks in, the more natural it feels. Try it today. I'll wait.